Hi everybody, my name is Hilde. I'm a yoga and dance instructor and I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys for the next 7 days. So starting tomorrow, I'll be uploading 1 video a day and my focus is going to be on beginners yoga. And the reason why I wanted to make this 7-day course is because I get so many people that have never done yoga before and they come into a class that's maybe intermediate advanced level and they feel a little bit overwhelmed and they never return. So I want to provide for those people that always wanted to try yoga but find it a little bit intimidating to go to a regular yoga class. So a few of the things that you might need. If you have a yoga mat, great. If you do not have a yoga mat, don't worry, you can still join the course, but just make sure that perhaps you have a blanket or a towel to put under your knees when we do some of the kneeling positions so that you're not hurting your knees. And you also want to be sure that you're not gliding with your hands, so just be a little bit more careful if you don't have a yoga mat. A yoga mat usually gives some anti-slip, so in some of the postures like downward facing dog, it is quite helpful to have that anti-slip. But if you don't, you can just do it on the floor or a carpet. A couple of other things that you can use, but it's not necessary, is a block. So a block is often helpful because sometimes when we're sitting down, I'll give you a demonstration. A lot of times in the beginning when people are sitting, they're very rounded in the back, which is quite uncomfortable. So what we do is we place a block underneath the pelvis so that they get elevated a little bit and have a nice long back. If you do not have a block, you could just use a rolled up blanket or a towel as well, no problem. This is another type of block here. This is a very helpful block because it has 3 different heights. So it is often handy if you have a posture and you can't reach quite down to the ground, you can use a block. But again, you do not need to have a block. You could always use anything else that has a little bit of, can bear a little bit of pressure, maybe a book or a little box or something like that. So you do not have to have all these yoga equipments to start the course. And then the last thing that you could use is a belt. Again, it doesn't have to be a yoga strap like this one. It could just be a regular belt or even a scarf. Yeah, so I look forward to see you on your mat tomorrow and I hope you all have a great day. Namaste.